Hi, it's Krista with WTI. I consider myself a skincare connoisseur, and I know that all hand soap is not created equally. This Bath & Body Works aromatherapy gentle foaming hand soap in the orange and ginger scent is strides ahead of its competition. Let me tell you some of the reasons that I always reach for this hand soap whenever I'm shopping. This orange and ginger scent is super crisp and it's very reinvigorating. I found myself many times throughout the workday slipping away to go wash my hands and take a deep inhale of the scent to help me through the rest of a stressful workday. Bath & Body Works has really done an excellent job of also developing a dispenser for this foaming soap that gives you just the right amount of product with each use. It's enough so that you really get your hands clean, but also so that that scent sticks with you once you rinse it off. So if you want to thoroughly enjoy your hand washing experience, I encourage you to give this aromatherapy line by Bath & Body Works a try, and you will not regret it. And that's my point of view.